Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are exploring what we call a rotational symmetry. A shape that has rotational symmetry when it can be mapped onto itself by a rotation of less than 360 degrees. That means after going through 360 degrees one round, how many times it is exactly the same shape as it is. So if we are looking at a square, a pink color square, and after rotating 90 degree and rotating 90 degree and 90 degree and 90 degree, we realize that it is able to look like itself 4 times. So in this case, the order of rotational symmetry for this is 4. And if a shape that has 0 rotational symmetry, the order is equals to 1, because at the end of the day, when we have rotated for 360 degree, it will go back to its shape. So for this example, what is the order of rotational symmetry for the following shape? As I turn this shape, you will realize that if I do the sketching, I turn this as I turn this shape, so this is what I am going to do. I'm going to just cut this out, and I'm going to do what we are going to do. I'm going to rotate it. Turn. And it does not look like a shape. I'm going to continue to turn. It still does not look like a shape. After I go through another round, notice that when I try to turn, only after one round it goes back to the original shape. So in this case, the order of rotational symmetry will be equals to 1. And does it has rotational symmetry? Yes, it does. 1. Although it has 0 rotational symmetry, the order is still 1. Alright. With that, we have come to the end of this example. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more interesting mathematics videos and examples. Let's continue to the other videos and examples.